I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data. Make a time machine backup or create a full bootable clone and confirm it boots. Once done, check your Mac model and target macOS release to avoid incompatible installers. Make sure to sign out of iCloud, disable Find My Mac, and turn off File Vault so activation lock and encryption won't block restore. You should also note your Apple ID and passwords now. After that, download the correct macOS installer on a separate drive, or prepare a bootable installer to begin the downgrade. Now you make the bootable installer. Run Create Install Media in Terminal with the downloaded installer and a 16 GB or larger USB. Once complete, restart holding Option or Command-R as needed to boot the installer. In the installer environment, open Disk Utility, select your startup volume, and erase it using Apps or macOS Extended, journaled depending on the target OS. Name it Macintosh HD. This removes the beta system. After erasure, quit Disk Utility and continue to install the stable Mac OS. Proceed with the Mac OS installation from the bootable USB and complete the Setup Assistant. Once the system is running, restore your user data from the Time Machine backup or clone. Use Migration Assistant for a clean user restore versus manual file copy. After verifying apps and documents work, sign back into iCloud and re-enable Find My Mac if desired. Then turn on File Vault and confirm encryption. If the Mac fails to boot or activation lock appears, reboot into recovery. Ensure you erased the correct volume, and use your Apple ID to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.